come on. Wow, so beautiful. It doesn't often snow in this part of England, so oh, I love it. I hope it stays for a while. I might decorate this year for Easter. That's how bored I am. I've never in my life, apart from, you know, where I film downstairs and I've got the twigs, I might hang some little eggs at Easter and near Halloween. I don't know, I might hang some leaves, winter leaves on, autumn leaves on it. But I don't normally decorate, don't put out any decorations in the house. But I might do some DIYs this year, just so I keep myself occupied. And you know, I like crafting, so and I've sorted out my crafting storage and everything, so I know where everything is. So I might do a few videos soon on Easter decorating, just different things, you know. I can't even sit here and talk to you how I feel fully, because you know what happens, and because, you know, sometimes I don't even want to read the comments, and it's not fair on those of you that come to my channel not for the drama but things that I'm showing and talking about. So yes, my channel is not a business, and it's not about having lots of subscribers and making lots of money. It was just something that I started for myself, and for the desire to share you know, my experiences with aging and what works, what doesn't work, and you know, the hooded eye stuff. You can run your channel for years on that. There are some channels that are purely there to review things, which I really like, you know, but I couldn't do it. I couldn't buy every new thing that comes out just to review it. You know, I buy a lot as it is, I think. Maybe not lately, but yeah, so just wanted to say that if I'm not here, it's not that something terrible happened. I know I'm not even very active on Instagram. I can't be posting pictures of myself just sitting on a sofa every day. So yeah, it will just mean that, or I didn't feel like to do a video, or I've got nothing really to talk to you about or share with you. But other than that, we are okay. Love the snow today. You so rarely see snow down here, down south. Up north they get much more snow. My brother lives near Manchester, and I think they always get snow every year, maybe just for one day, but they get it. So yeah, I love the snow. It feels like Christmas actually today. I wish it snowed for Christmas. Okay, I'm still going to go and put my makeup on. Well, my eyeshadow. Don't know what for, but it just makes me happy. I'll speak to you later. Good morning, my lovelies. I'm putting makeup on because I'm not going anywhere. But I feel like I can't be really bothered to do anything fun. I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Beautiful in Barcelona, I think. And I'm even feeling like doing just one eyeshadow look, like a smoky one eyeshadow look. So I'm going to take the Stone color, which is like a mauvey matte color. Right, so I've been reading your comments on my Monday video, you know, where I did that DIY flower arrangement, and I asked you there if you would like me to do some more DIY videos, and everybody is for it. But now I'm really scared, because I shouldn't have asked for saying to you I'll do DIY videos. It's more like crafting because I hope you don't expect me to start building cupboards and furniture and whatever else. I'm not into, I watch people sometimes like making over furniture, and it's so fascinating to watch, but I don't think I could do this, because you might know I'm not a very patient person. I like instant gratification. So something like painting furniture, it would take far too long. I would get fed up with it, you know, unscrewing it, then sanding it, painting it, putting it together. I want something that is fun to do. It's not hard work and it looks pretty straight away. So yes, I should have said more of a crafting. And you know, it's not like I'm brilliant at it. It's just something I enjoy, you know, like I'm jack of all trades, master of none. So yeah, look at my roots getting ridiculous again. I really hope I won't have to do my hair again myself. There's no way. It was so hard. It wasn't too bad doing the front, but just here at the top, because you can't see. But if I have to, I will do it. Mind you, I might just wear wigs non-stop. But it's not so much the rootage. It's just that as soon as my roots come to about that size, a bit bigger, my hair then starts getting greasy much quicker and doesn't hold shape, because obviously natural hair, when you bleach your hair, you put bleach on your hair, it dries out your hair. So when I have my highlights freshly done, I can go a week without washing my hair. It doesn't get greasy. But when my roots come through, although you know I've got quite a bit of grey now in my roots, so I suppose they don't look that bad. Look how tanned I am. I've been on holiday. I wish. I show you what fake tan I'm using, because what I do right now, I just tan my hands to about here. I tan my chest to about here, just basically to what you can see, and that's it. So I don't want to use one of those fake tans that you have to wash off every time. I can put that on in the morning and walk around. Let me show you what it is. So it's this one from Rose and Caramel, and mine is called Nudity. Yeah, the UK's first cream spray tan. So it is aerosol spray. I wouldn't say it's cream. It doesn't look like cream anyway. So I just spray it on my face here, and I take one of, you know, just any one of those big kabuki brushes, and I just buff it in while it's still wet. That way I get more even look, and then I spray some on my hands and do that as well with this brush. And I feel like this is really nice color tan. I would never use it all over my body, because it doesn't have a guide color. You don't see, it's like see-through when you apply it. I know you would go streaky in places. I can sort of control it here, but yeah, for like the winter, this is fabulous. And that's it. That's my makeup done. Can't be bothered with anything more ambitious. Very exciting day. I'm going to do laundry. Good morning, my lovelies. Very exciting day today. I'm doing ironing. These are ready for ironing. I need to apologize, because I think, was it in my last Monday video that on different days I wore these tops This is like acid pink and peach. And you've been asking me where I got them from, and I said super dry, and that's not true. Only because I used to have similar colored sweatshirt from super dry as well. And when I was doing the washing, I thought, oh no, these are not super dry. So actually, including this one, sorry, was disturbed again by Paul. Yeah, including this one, these three, I actually bought them in Next, and that was a couple of years ago now, so they don't have them. What I'm going to say probably won't make any difference, but every time I do a video, someone will ask me what I'm wearing. I always put in a description box if I'm wearing something that is still available, that you can still buy. If it's something new that I didn't buy long ago or is still available, it will be in a description box. But if I'm wearing something old that you can get, then what is the point? I can't even find a link for it. So yeah, but I'm sure not everybody will see this video, so I still get asked. Yes, so that's where I got them. So today I'm doing ironing. I was going to start on some of my crafts today. I might actually. And I'm waiting for eggs. I've ordered some plastic eggs. I have some polystyrene ones, I think, but I wanted something with a more smoother surface, so I'm going to decorate some eggs as well. I'm quite excited now. It's almost like decorating for Christmas, but for Easter, and I've never done Easter decorating. Okay, my lovelies. So boring, isn't it? I have absolutely nothing to talk to you about, apart from what's happening in the world now, but you know. Okay, I speak to you later. Good morning, my lovelies. So, this has been quite a boring, uneventful week till yesterday. So yesterday I had a lovely day. I sat down and did my first craft project. Sorry, my postman just been. It took me like all day, because also, you know, I filmed it, so I had to set up everything a bit differently. And oh, it was just, most of it was setting up and filming it, but I had the best day ever. It was so therapeutic, so relaxing. So honestly, if you are like me, you don't have a regular job, or you are retired now, you don't have kids, do something like that, unless you obviously really hate it. But it was so relaxing and satisfying. So I will post that video probably at the weekend. I've decided that I will post videos like that at the weekend, Saturday or Sunday, just like I do with my wigs, because my channel is mainly a beauty channel, so it could be a bit confusing, you know, to people that come over to my channel for the first time and thinking that I am a DIY channel. So yeah, but it was lovely. It's something that I've never made before. I made it from scratch, so it was very satisfying. Of course, I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to build the suspense. Right, let's see what we got. I think I've ordered a sweatshirt. That's all I wear now, is sweatshirts. They are comfortable. Just leggings and sweatshirts. I think I've saved a lot of money on clothing this year. Oh, so it's a lilac one. I don't have anything lilac. And I saw it's from Boohoo, by the way. And it's almost like an acid wash. What does it say on it? San Francisco. I ordered small because does lilac suit me? because they said it was oversized, and I don't like oversized too much. You know, all these sweatshirts these days are very 90s. I used to wear them then. You know, those leggings that are just before your knee, like cycling shorts and oversized sweatshirts. But I don't like it that much now, so I've ordered small. It still looks quite wide, but pretty color. So yeah, it wasn't much, that sweatshirt. Well, Buku is not very expensive, is it? It doesn't have anything in it, so I can't remember, but it was really inexpensive. What's this? Maybe more craft stuff. Oh no, it's cotton wool balls. Nothing exciting. Can you see how dark it is? Honestly, it feels like it's the evening. It's been raining for the last few days, and that gets me down, you know. So doing my crafting. So today I'm going, oh look, got Lily of the Valley artificial flowers. Oh my god, that reminds me so much of my childhood. When I was a child, young person, always in March we used to go out to the woods and pick Lily of the Valley. We call it convalia, and they always smell so gorgeous. Oh, I think something is definitely happening to my sense of smell. So yesterday I get, it's not specifically me smelling something, but I sort of get like different smell now and again coming to my nose. I don't know how to explain it. Still can't taste, but I think things are getting back to normal, so that's good. Yeah, so honestly, I know you are so kind and you say that you could watch me reading a phone book. I sometimes feel, God, this vlog is so boring. Why would anybody want to watch it? But I suppose if you are bored and have nothing better to do, then you might as well watch another bored person. Alright, my lovelies, I am going to go and paint my eggs. So I am going to do like quite a few different type of Easter egg decorating, but I need to paint them first or one color. So I'm going to do that, and then at some point film the rest of it. Okay, I'm going to finish here because I'm sure nothing exciting will happen. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week. I'll see you in my next video, and always stay fabulous if you can be bothered. Bye.